Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again, and happy new week to everyone. I hope you all are having a great day so far. I'm back with a quick and easy Walgreens haul. The deals I'll be sharing in this video are all digital deals, so all you need for this deal is just your phone. The first deal I have here will be on Old Spice body wash. They're on sale for $7.49 each, and it's on the deal of buy 2 get back $4 register reward. Picking up 2 will make the total for $10.98. In our app, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will apply to this and drop it down to $9.98. I'm going to pay that and I'll get $4 register reward back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta because I have a $2 back on each item. Those 2 items will end up being just $1.98 or 99 cents each. I'm going to check this deal out by itself and I hope I get a booster. This deal worked out very well. My 5 off 2 applied and I ended up using $8 register reward for this deal, and I also paid $1.98 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back my $4 register reward. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2 on each item, and I also got the booster. That's a $7 Walgreens cash when I spent $20. Next deal I'll pick up will be on some P&G products. It's when you buy 4 or more participating products, you get $5 register reward back. I'll be picking up the Gain Flings, the 16 counts. It's on sale for $5.49. And I also pick up the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $4.99. I'm going to add the Swiffer Duster Kits. This is also on sale for $5.49. The last item I'll add to complete this deal will be the Bounty Essential, the 6 big rolls, on sale for $5.49. All 4 items are going to total me $21.46, and the coupons I'll be using for them: for the Bounty Essential, we have a $1 coupon, and for the Swiffer Duster Kit, we have a $3 coupon. For the Dawn Power Wash, we also have a $2 coupon, and for the Gain Flings, we have a $1.50 coupon. And after all these coupons apply, it's going to drop my subtotal down to $13.96. I'll pay that and get $5 register reward back. This transaction worked out great. All my coupons came off and I used 2 register reward for this. One was $1 and the other one was $4. It dropped my subtotal down to $8.96. I paid that plus tax and I got back my $5 register reward. And I also received a $7 Walgreens cash. When I checked my receipt to make sure I got back my $7 Walgreens cash for spending $20, I noticed I received $14 instead of $7. And that's when I realized I have another booster in my app that says make 3 purchases and spend $15 each purchase. You will earn $7 Walgreens cash. So that's where the extra $7 came from. With this extra $7 Walgreens cash I received, this transaction ended up being free and a $5.04 money maker. This next deal I'm sharing, I did not buy it, but I just decided to share it in case if anybody needs it. It's on Head and Shoulders. They're on sale for $6 each, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. Pick up 2, we have a 3 off 2 in our app that is going to drop it down to $9. Pay that and you get $4 back, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for your support, for coming back every week to check out my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.